Hey guys, muscle food has just been delivered. So I thought I would do a quick unboxing and just show you guys what I got this week. Oh dear. Okay, I am doing a month of muscle food. It is being sent to me for free. And I'm just doing videos every week to show how weight loss goes. And so on and so forth. I will link everything down below. I'll link my original videos as well, so you can see a little bit of backstory. I'm just going to show you quickly what I've got. I'm doing the Unthinkable plan, which is 5 days on, 2 days off, and they send you everything you need to eat on those 5 days. So 3 snacks a day, 3 meals a day. I'm just going to grab everything. So I have got 3 packets of pork scratchings. They're like protein ones. I've got 2 packets of Hippies, salt and vinegar and cheese. These are chickpea flavoured puffs. They're like What's-Its, but really nice and crunchy and delicious. For breakfast, I have got a chocolate porridge just here, a chocolate protein oomph porridge pot. I have got some mountain chips. These are sweet chili mountain chips. There we go. I've got some Yum protein crunches. These are kind of like cornflake cakes, but little chocolate bites. I've got a high-low mint bar. I have got a Diet Whey triple chocolate cookie protein bar, which looks amazing. I have got a chocolate decadence bar. I have got some more of the protein crunchy things. I have got 2 of the Trek, these are breakfasts, Trek original flapjacks. I've got 2 of those. I've got a pulsing vanilla chocolate chip protein boost bar, which looks nice. I've not had one of these before. I've got this is another breakfast, a triple chocolate protein cookie for breakfast. I've got a salted caramel protein bar and some more mountain chips. There are loads of other things you can have. You can have olives, you can have chicken on a stick. When Ben did it, he really likes the chicken on a stick, but I'm not a massive fan of just chicken on a stick basically, but he really likes that. And then the rest of this is the cold stuff, because all the meals just go straight in the freezer. I got a couple of different things that I hadn't had before. Everything comes with these ice packs, so it is all nice and fresh. I got a Persian lime chicken with quinoa and minted peas. Does this go in the freezer or does this go in the fridge? So ideally freeze on the day of receipt, or store in the fridge and use by the date shown. What's the date on it? Used by the 1st of November, so I can just put this straight in the fridge. This looks, so you've got like quinoa here, and then the other side has got like a Persian chicken, which looks really good. I haven't had that before. I've got a black bean and chicken stir fry. I haven't had this before either. Like there's the chicken, and then you get like the black bean sauce, which is really good. I've got a protein pizza. I have had one of these before. When I first did it, I had one of these. I got the chicken tikka one. I'll just show you quickly because it is wrapped inside here. It's my chicken tikka pizza, which is, they're so good, they're delicious. And then what's them? Pancakes, maple syrup pancakes for breakfast. They just go in the freezer. And then the rest of it is all rice pots. So I've got a original chicken rice pot. I've got 2 of them. I've got a chicken tikka rice pot. Oh, there's another chicken, normal chicken rice pot. There is another chicken tikka one, a black bean chicken, and finally a satay chicken. These just literally go in the freezer and then chuck them out, 4 minutes in the microwave, jobs are good. So that is my meals for the week. I will do, as I have been, doing 1 day of vlogs, where I vlog the whole food, and then we'll do a weigh-in result at the end of the video. So yeah, I've got a discount code as well. If you want that, I'll link that as well. Morning guys, It's weigh day for week 2, the end of week 2, yeah. And I'm gutted because, well, I'm not gutted because of weigh day, I'm gutted because I filmed a day's worth of food yesterday, and I also filmed my unboxing of next week's muscle food, and the footage is corrupt, and it just will not, it just won't work on my computer. So there is no food vlog this week, which is really, really annoying, but I can't do anything about it. The footage is knackered. I don't know what happened, but I don't know whether it's a bad memory card or what, but it's just not happening. So I'm sorry that there is no food vlog, but I had chocolate porridge for breakfast, which I really like the chocolate porridge. Ben wasn't 100% on the chocolate porridge, but I really like that. And then I had a mountain chips, chili mountain chips. They are just so good. Ben was saying to me the other day, he would like, if they sold those in Tesco's in like a big bag, he would just buy them because he thinks they're really good. The kids are playing. I can't do anything about that. For lunch, I had a satay chicken rice pot, which was really, really good. It's one of my favourite ones. And then I had half I think it was a cookies. It wasn't the blue cookies and cream bar, I think it was the other one, the diet whey one. I had half of that for my afternoon snack. Then I had Chinese chicken curry for dinner. And then for my evening snack, I had pork scratchings and the other half of my cookies and cream bar. I'm gonna get rid of her weight there. So yeah, it was a really nice day for food. I'm really enjoying it now as well that the weather has turned. It's so miserable today, it's so rainy, but it's quite nice just to have nice comfort in food, which I am enjoying a lot. This week, because my order was delayed last week and then yesterday was my last day of that week, I am now going to do today and tomorrow, and then I'll have the weekend off, and then I'll have 3 days next week. I think that's how I'm going to do it. Yeah, that's the plan. So this week's weigh-in, I lost 2 pounds, which is amazing. I'm really, really happy. I'm a little bit annoyed with myself because my room, this is my office, which is my filming room, my makeup room, my craft room. This is where I do my cards, everything. I've written my measurements down somewhere, like the first week, and I can't find them. I'm just going to give you, don't judge me, I've just moved. It is like an actual tip, and somewhere in here are my measurements. So I'm going to write down my measurements again for this week, and then hopefully I'll be able to find the first week and see, and we'll tally along. If not, then I'll just do these weeks, and I'm just going to put them on a post-it over there. But yeah, 2 pounds, really, really happy with that. Haven't felt hungry again. That's a really nice thing about it, is that I'm not feeling hungry, because I don't like being hungry. I don't like to feel hungry. It annoys me. So yeah, I'll link everything down below for you guys, but we are going to start another week. And again, next week's video is not going to have my unboxing on it, just because the footage again is corrupt. I don't know what went wrong with it. It was the only things, I didn't format my memory card beforehand, which is probably my fault. I was just in a bit of a hurry and I just did it as normal and didn't format it, so I imagine that is what I've done. But you live and learn. So yeah, I'm in a vlog today, and that will be on next week's video. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.